Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace or how to remove the trunk spoiler, okay, right here on Ford Fiesta guys. If it's an ST or a regular model, the procedure might be very close for both of them. We'll demonstrate on ST, so that should probably cover 2009 to 2018 Fiesta hatchback. So we'll need Torx 20, this is the start looking bit. All the tools that we use will be listed in the description of the video below guys, so please check it out. Now, we need to go ahead and remove these two screws. One on the right, one on the left side. The procedure is super simple guys, and let me just remind you, we have more than 200 videos taking this car apart, more than 200 videos. So if you need anything, probably it's on the channel. If not, it will be very soon. So please subscribe for all the work we do guys. Okay, now we pull it down, okay, and we need to disconnect the wires. So this is the wire, okay, right here. You need to press on the back side, okay, and pull it out. This is the rear window washer, okay, so we need to pull that thing, okay, out. Okay, it came out. It almost did from right here. Okay, just like that. And this is guys the third brake light stop out of a Fiesta. So we remove the, as you can see, we remove the third brake light out of the way now. Next, open your trunk lid. Now we're going to have 6 bolts, 2 here, 2 under the caps, and 2 on the side that we need to remove in order to remove the spoiler. Now those caps, you just grab them and pull them out, okay, with your fingers, okay, just like that. So you can see they're out of the way now. Next, 8mm socket guys, and all the tools we use will be listed in the description of the video. We're going to remove these 2 bolts. Those are the ones with 8mm now. And these bolts are sticking that way. You can drop them easily. So if you apply a little bit of grease on the socket, the bolt will get stuck to the socket, and that way you will not drop it in the trunk lid, because that will be quite a bit of fishing guys, trying to get it, to be honest with you. And if you cannot remove it, it's going to rattle there and you'll be really noisy when you drive the car. Okay, this is one of the bolts. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and remove this one here. The same way, we're going to apply a little bit of more grease. Okay, I'm trying to turn the light so you can see. This is the bolt right here. Okay, this is the second one. Now those are with some very small socket. We're going to find the size in a second. Probably it's a 5. So with this 5mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove both of them now. Okay, one here, one there, and 2 on the other side as well. Okay, with extension, they're pretty easy to reach. Okay, and this is not a bolt, this is a screw. Okay, you can see how long it is. Now, one more on this side. Okay, let's see, you can see the spoiler started getting loose already. So, before we remove the other 2 on the other side, you have to make sure that you support it. Okay, perfect. Now let's come on this side. Let's remove these 2. Okay, now let's see if it's going to come loose or not. Okay, it's still holding a little bit. Okay, so let's inspect everything now. And now the spoiler, he has a few clips, so you need to pull it straight to the back. Okay, like that. You have the wire and the hose for the washer there. Okay, you can see where the clips are. Two here, and two on this side. So actually 3 out of the 6 are guides and 3 clips. You can see how funny looking it is without a spoiler. So that's how you guys remove the spoiler. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.